Let's learn English through short holiday conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Booking a hotel room.
Let me see, for this vacation, I want to book a room for tonight's. Can you see if they have any rooms available?
Yes, they have a double room with a sea view. Would you like to book that room?
How much is it per night?
It costs $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds good. Can we book it now?
Yes, I will call the hotel to reserve it.
Great. Please make sure it has a balcony.
The room does have a balcony.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm so excited for our trip, darling.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Book. To arrange and reserve something in advance. Room. A space in a hotel where people stay. Balcony. A small platform outside a room with a railing. Your listening question is: what kind of room do they want to book? Answer: they want to book a double room with a sea view and a balcony. At the airport.
Hey buddy, are you ready for our flight? What time does our plane leave?
It leaves at 3 p.m. We need to check in 2 hours before.
Have you packed your bags?
Yes, but I'm worried about the weight limit.
Don't worry, we can pay for extra baggage if needed.
Good idea. Did you bring your passport?
Yes, I have it in my bag.
Great. Let's find the check-in counter.
Okay, after that we can get something to eat.
Sounds perfect.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Weight limit. The maximum allowed weight for baggage. Check-in. To register at the airport before a flight. Passport. An official document for traveling to other countries. Your listening question is: what time does their plane leave? Answer: their plane leaves at 3 p.m. Hotel services.
Hello, can you tell me about the hotel services?
Of course, we have a gym, swimming pool, and free Wi-Fi.
Is breakfast included in the room price?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Are there laundry services available?
Yes, we offer laundry and dry cleaning.
Great, can I get a taxi from the hotel?
Yes, we can arrange a taxi for you anytime.
Thank you. What time is the checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Perfect. I'm happy with the services.
If you need anything else, please call the front desk.
I will. Thanks for your help.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Gym. A place with equipment for exercise. Laundry. The service of washing clothes. Checkout. The time when guests leave the hotel. Your listening question is: what services does the hotel offer? Answer: the hotel offers a gym, swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, breakfast, laundry, and taxi service. Preparing swimwear.
Baby, don't forget to bring your swimwear today.
I have my swimsuit and goggles ready.
Good. Did you pack a towel and sunscreen?
Yes, both are in my bag.
It's important to apply sunscreen before swimming.
I know, I don't want to get sunburned.
Also, wear a hat to protect your face.
I have a hat too.
Do you want to bring a beach ball?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Good girl. Remember to drink plenty of water.
I will. I'm excited for the beach.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Swimwear. Clothes for swimming. Sunscreen. Cream that protects skin from the sun. Sunburn. Red and painful skin caused by too much sun. Your listening question is: what should the daughter remember to bring for the beach? Answer: she should bring swimwear, towel, sunscreen, a hat, and a beach ball. At the mountain top.
The weather looks clear today. Is it safe to start going down?
Yes, the weather is good, but the path is a bit slippery in some areas.
How long will it take to get back to the base?
About 2 hours if we walk carefully.
Should we use any special equipment?
Just good hiking shoes and walking sticks will help.
Okay, I have my hiking boots and sticks.
Great, remember to stay close to the group.
Will we stop for breaks on the way?
Yes, we will take short breaks to rest and enjoy the view.
That sounds nice. I'm ready to go when you are.
Let's begin then and stay safe.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Slippery. Difficult to walk on without slipping. Hiking boots. Special shoes for walking on rough ground. Walking sticks. Poles used to help walk on uneven paths. Your listening question is: how long will it take to walk back to the base? Answer: it will take about 2 hours. Ordering local food.
Honey, I want to try some local dishes tonight.
That sounds great. What do you recommend?
I heard the grilled fish is very popular here.
Let's order that. Should we get some vegetables too?
Yes, and maybe a spicy salad.
Okay, I will ask the waiter for the menu.
Do you want some local drinks as well?
Yes, a fresh fruit juice sounds good.
Perfect. I'm excited to taste new flavors.
Me too. This restaurant has great reviews.
I hope the food is as good as they say.
Let's enjoy the meal.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Local. Belonging to a particular place. Grilled. Cooked over fire or heat. Spicy. Having a strong, hot flavor. Your listening question is: what local dish do they decide to order? Answer: they decide to order grilled fish. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.